Okay, so today we'll study about the parts of the plant. Okay, today we're going to study about the parts of the plants. You all know what are the parts of the plants?
Yes.
Do you all know? Have you all ever
Yes.
have you all learned about the parts of the plants? What are the different parts of the plants? So
Yes,
at the
ma'am.
bottom, that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
called the root. Where does the root? Where does the root lie? Does it lie below the ground or above the ground?
Below the ground. Below the ground.
Below the ground. Yes. What about the stem? Where does the stem lie? It
Above
lies
the ground.
above the ground. Yes,
Above the ground.
above the ground. Then what are these green color things that we see? What are they called? They are
Leaves.
called the leaves. Leaves. And what is that very beautiful thing in the plant? The pink one?
Flower.
Okay. And there's a green colored thing coming out. What's that called?
Fruit.
And inside the fruit, what is there?
Seed.
What is seed?
Seed.
Okay. So these are the parts of the plant. Okay. The root, the stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. These are the main parts of the plant. Okay. Next slide, please.
I know part.
So today we are going to study about the parts of these plants and what are the functions of these plant parts. Okay. Next slide. Okay.
My screen visible?
Yeah, now it's visible. It was stuck in the first slide. Now it has changed. Okay. Yeah. So this is the stem. Okay. What is this called? The stem. And the function of the stem. You all know. All of you all know that the stem lies above the ground, right? Now, what does the stem do? The stem carries the water and supplies it to all the parts of the plant. It supplies it to the leaves, it supplies it to the flowers, it supplies it to the fruits, to all the parts of the plant. It carries the water and it supplies it everywhere. It gives it to the leaves, the fruits, the flowers, to everyone it gives it. Okay? To every part, it gives the water. So that is the function of the stem. Can anyone tell me what other function the stem can have? What is the other function of the stem? This is carrying water. Okay. Any other thing? If you all know. Yes.
Supplies nutrients to the leaf. Holding everything properly.
Yes, it holds everything properly. That's correct. It holds all the parts. It holds the leaves, it holds the flowers, it holds the fruits, it holds all the other parts of the plant properly. Okay? So that is the next function. All right. Next slide. You all can see how the water is moving upwards in the plant. Can you all see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now we'll move on to the activity. Okay? Yes. So what you'll need is you'll need a glass container. All of y'all adjust your camera, and I also want to see what you'll have. See, you'll need red ink, you'll need glass container, you'll need water, and you'll need a herb. Red ink, water, glass container, and a herb.
Ma'am.
All of you. Yes.
I will bring water weight.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm also bringing a water.
All right.
I don't have a herb.
What you don't have? Who said that?
Ma'am, I
Swaraj.
just have Janisha. What's this much of herb?
Show me.
Small.
Acha, small one.
Yes.
Okay. So what you do? It will not stay. It will. Okay. Yeah, you can keep it like that. And you can color the water. Means you can put the red ink. If you whatever color ink you'll have, you can put. You'll have
How
ink.
many drops we have to put in the ink in the water?
Angela, what did you say?
How many drops we have to put in the water of
Till
ink?
the water gets colored. Put the drops and you see till the water gets colored. Till that time you have to add in the drops.
Okay.
Shaurya, you are not having a herb, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what you do? See, you might see a plant or something. You can just pluck out one branch. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, wait.
Okay, do you have it near your house? Then you can pluck out a branch, a small one. No, it's not needed that you bring the full tree. Okay. Ainish, adjust your camera. Adjust your camera.
Ma'am, I also don't have a herb.
Who said that?
Me, Janisha.
Okay, Jinisha, you don't have the herb.
Yes.
Okay, this activity will not be seen suddenly. Okay, you will see the results only after one day. So you can collect a plant, a herb from anywhere. Okay, you can collect the stem of a plant. You must be having plants near your house, Jinisha. Yes. So it's not required to go now, but you can collect it after the class and you can put it inside the water. Okay, like this. How it's put? Like you all can see how the herbs are placed. You all will put it. You will put it inside the water, not completely like this. Okay, the stem should be in the water, and you all will put it inside the water and keep it for 1 day. After 1 day, you all will see what is the change. What has happened? You all will see. All right, Janisha, you can bring a plant stem from anywhere. Plants must be there near your house.
Ma'am, I don't have red ink, but I have black ink.
Okay, you use black ink. No problem. Okay? Whatever ink you have, you can use that.
Ma'am,
Yes. Right.
like this color we have.
Zanisha, yes, you're asking something? No? Then who asked?
Ma'am,
Angela must be. Yes, yes,
Ma'am, this
Angela.
color of ink water.
Yeah. I cannot see it. Just add 1 or 2 more drops. Yeah, it's very light.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yeah, okay, Shaurya. Yes, Shaurya, that is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, now?
Yes, Angela, that will do.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to keep these tulsi leaves.
Tulsi leaves. Okay, that is not for this experiment. That is for another experiment. Yeah, you all can keep any leaf, okay? Any leaf will do. So for this experiment, you'll need reading, you'll need water, you'll need a glass container and a herb. And what you will do, you will all of you all make the colored water. All of you all show your colored water. Yes, I already saw Angela's colored water. Swara's also I can see. Zanisha, okay. Advait?
No.
Okay.
Now I got the
All right. Yes, Shari, I saw your blue colored water. Fine. Swara's is also done. Zanisha, your color is very faint. You have to add more color to it. I cannot. Color is very light. Zanisha.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And okay. Yes, Ainish, I saw yours. Yours is okay. Janisha, where's your color with the colored water?
Ma'am, you said if I
It should
don't
be
I so do it afterwards.
You'll do it afterwards. You can make the colored water now. Afterwards, you can bring the stem and put it inside the colored water.
Okay, I will.
Okay? Yeah.
I can you see my
Yes, Advait, you're saying something?
I'm saying that my glass.
Okay, I cannot see properly. Can you hold it in your hand? Can you hold it and show me?
Okay, here.
Little, no, I cannot see. Yes, yes, it's okay. Little bit to your left, I think. Yes, yes, yes. Now, still I cannot. Little bit to your left. Okay, okay, little, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I could see it. Now, now I'm able to see it. Fine, it's all right.
Ma'am, my mother
Yeah.
said that we can do it tomorrow because then we'll get the herb.
All right, fine.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Who said that?
Hi, Zanisha.
Zanisha. Okay, Zanisha, you have to make sure that your herb stem is inside the water. I think you have reduced the amount of water, right?
Yes.
Okay, but you have to make sure that your stem is inside the water.
Okay.
So what you all can do is you all have to keep this plant. Okay. Now it is about 4:30 tomorrow. Okay, you all will see what has happened. In that case, you all will see I have already kept it from before. I can see that in the leaves there is some red color. Okay, but it will take a day. I have just kept it before 2 hours. I have just kept it. So you all will also see after one day, you all will see that your leaves are becoming the color of your water. The leaves are becoming that color. So what does that mean? Can you all tell me what does that mean? What has happened?
The stem is taking the water to the leaves.
Yes, very good, Swara. The stem is taking the water to the leaves.
Water to the leaves.
Yes. So y'all cannot see it. Y'all cannot see it now. Okay. Y'all will see it only after 24 hours. After one day, y'all can see the color in the leaves. All right. Y'all will keep this. Whatever y'all have done, y'all will keep it for one day like this. All right. Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
All right. All right. Okay. Now we can move on to the next slide. Okay. So what about the roots? The roots are found under the ground. Yes, the roots are found under the ground. And what is the function of the root? It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It absorbs the water. You all know what is absorption? What do you mean by absorption? It is taking the water from the soil, collecting the water from the soil. Okay? The water and the minerals. The food and the water, not the food. I mean, it is taking some minerals which is required for its growth. So it is collecting the water and the minerals and passing it through the roots are absorbing it, and then it is passing through the stem. The stem is then supplying it to all the different parts of the plant. Okay. So the roots function is to absorb the water and minerals from the soil. Can you tell me any other function of the root? Anyone? Any other function of the root? Yes, Advait?
Ma'am, the root is also using to take the carbon dioxide.
No, Advait. The root does not take the carbon dioxide. Anyone else? It holds the plant. Very good. So it holds the plant. It holds the plant tightly to the soil. It fixes the plant to the soil. Because of the root, the plant is standing straight in one place. Okay, if the root is cut, can the plant stand straight in one place? No, it cannot. Okay, so the root fixes the plant to the soil. It also absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay, next slide. Yeah. Okay. Now what you'll have to do, you'll need paper for this. You'll need wool, glue, and scissors.
Ma'am, will Fevistick go?
Fevistick can't stick the wool. You'll have to use glue. Fevistick won't be able to stick the glue to the paper.
I don't have wool and I also don't have Fevistick.
Do you have thread? Janisha, do you have thread?
Yes.
Thread? Don't use white thread. You can use any other color thread. Okay, any dark color thread if you have. You have?
I have light blue.
Yes, okay, fine. That will also work. Go get it fast. Yes, others, do you all have wool?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone else? Yes. So,
Ma'am, I have red. I have this.
you have which wool? Yes, any wool will do. Brown color wool. If you all have brown, it's well and good. If you all don't have brown, no worries. You all can use any color wool. Okay? So what you all have to do? Yes, Zanisha, what did you say?
Dark green.
Yeah, that will do. Dark green, no problem. Any color wool you all can use. See, what you'll have to do is, everyone show your wool. Everyone show the wool that you'll have.
I don't have wool.
Swara, you don't have wool?
No.
Do you have thread? Thread,
Yes.
do you have? Okay. Yes, that will work. No problem. Thread will also do.
Ma'am, but I don't have glue.
What
How
you don't
much?
have, Janita?
Glue.
Okay,
How much?
you don't have glue. All right, fine. You can observe.
They can use sellotape. They can hold it and put tape on it if sellotape
Okay.
is available.
How much thread do we need?
See, what you'll have to do is you will need a little bit of thread. Okay, not much. You'll have to cut it. See, what you'll have to do is you'll have to make. There are two types of roots. Okay, one is fibrous root and one is tap root. So how does the fibrous root look? All of the same size. Can you all see this? Can you all see what I have done?
This long thread is.
Ma'am, your screen is blurry. Ma'am, your
Screen is
screen
blue.
is blurry.
Ma'am, yes,
My
screen is blurry, ma'am.
getting blurred.
Yes.
Blurred.
Now can you all see?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. See, what I'm showing you all is all these thread, not thread, wool. You all have to cut equal sizes of wool and put it from one point. You all have to stick it like this. This is called fibrous root. Okay. Fibrous root looks like this. They are all of the same size. So you all will cut equal lengths of wool and you all will stick it with glue. First make fibrous root, all of you. Then I'll tell you all what is taproot. Make fibrous root? Yes. Everyone can make. What you all will do, first you all cut equal length of wool.
Ma'am, how many pieces of wood?
About 8 pieces.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. About 8 pieces of equal length of wool you all will cut. Okay. After cutting about 8 small pieces of wool, you'll tell me, okay, when you're done. After cutting it, then you'll tell me.
Done.
Done? Okay. Now, Advait, what you can do is, you can, from one point, you can stick the wool, like how this is done. From one point, you stick the wool like this. Visible?
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Okay. So you do it like that. With glue, you'll have to stick like this, the wool. Okay. And everyone has glue except us. I think Janisha does not have glue, so you can do it with sellotape in this way. Janisha.
Ma'am, I have do.
Yeah. Those who have glue
Ma'am,
can
I have
do it with the glue. Those who have glue can do it with the glue.
Ma'am, how we have to do?
What, Angela? What did you say?
How we have to do?
How you have to do? Okay, see what you'll do from one point. Okay, you can stick the pieces of wool like this. Put glue and stick one piece. Again, put glue, stick another piece. From one point, you will stick, and it will look somewhat like this. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Swara, have you done it? I can't see Swara. Okay, very good. What have you used, Swara, for that? Yes, very nice.
Head.
Yes, very nice. Well done.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, who said something?
Me, Advait.
Advait. Okay, Advait. What happened?
My mother helped me to put the glue. So then I put the strips of those.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am,
Show me. Have you done it? Have you done it, Advait? Yes, Zanisha. Very good. Nice. Yeah. Advait and Zanisha. Good.
Can you see over there the small green?
Yes, Advait. Yes, Advait. I can see. It is well done. So Swara, Zanisha, Advait have finished.
Ma'am, show me the picture, please.
Yes. Can you see this?
No.
This, can you see it?
No, ma'am.
This one?
The picture is hang. Done. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Can anyone see the picture that I'm showing?
Nicola ma'am, your video is hanged. It is not moving.
Ma'am, your
Frozen.
video is frozen.
Okay, one second. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now visible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, Shalia, what you have to do is you have to from one point, okay, you have to put glue and you have to stick this one piece of wool. Then again put glue, stick this another piece of wool, and like that you will continue. Put glue and stick one piece. Okay, like this it should look.
Ma'am, done.
Done, Janisha? Okay, I can faintly see it. All right. Yeah, very light. The color must be very light, right? So, okay. Yeah, I can see it, but it's a light blue color. So that's why little faint. Okay, who's not finished then? Angela hasn't finished. Ainish hasn't
No,
shown.
ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Wow.
Okay, after 1 minute, we'll start with the other type of fruit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, finish fast. Anish and Angela, be a little bit fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
1 second, I cannot. Who is that? From Advait, Anish.
तसं नव्हतं करायचं
1 second.
अजून करायचं
Yes, Anish, have you done it?
Ma'am, I'm showing.
Show Anish. You have to see. This is the way you have to do it. This is the way you have to do it. From one point, it has to come. You cannot just put it like that. Okay. So what you'll do, Anish? Can you see this picture? Is your picture and this picture the same? Is this done the same way? See here. Anish.
फुलं पंकजन
Anish.
ऍड दाखव फुलं पंकजन
You will do it like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So yeah, after the class, Anish, you can do it and you can send us pictures on the group. Understood? Now we can start with the okay, Angela.
Ma'am, last one to I have to stick.
କେମିତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଫୁଲର କଣ
Okay, what we can do is till Angela does that, y'all can start this one. Okay, what y'all will do? Y'all will put one long piece of wool here. This is called a taproot.
दिसूनी ना.
Okay, a long piece of wool here, and then smaller pieces of wool from the sides. The pieces of wool can be of different sizes. The pieces of wool can be of different sizes. Longer one you all will put here, then smaller ones you all will stick to that longer one. In this way it will go on. So your wool sizes can be different. It should not be the same size. Understood? First one long, middle one you all will put one long piece of wool at the center, and then from that wool you all will stick other smaller pieces of wool. Everyone understood what to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
You all
ma'am.
doing
We are
it.
doing it with thread. Should you put one long pieces or two? Or no?
You can put one long piece.
Ma'am, like
If you want, you can put two also. Okay, it will work.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have to.
yes, Angela, I can see. Yeah, like that. It's all right.
कंची दियो.
କାଟେ କଡା କାଟି
ଛୋଟିଆ 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 ଛୋଟିଆ.
କେମିତି ଅଛି ଦେଖ
Ma'am,
କେମିତି
how
ଦେଖ
many pieces we have to cut?
ୟା ଚେରଟା ପୁଣି ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି
କାଟୋ.
You all can cut about 10 pieces of wool, different sizes,
Okay, ma'am.
different sizes.
Okay.
Ainish, what are you doing, Ainish? Are you making the taproot? Ainish? Are you making the taproot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
उल्टा उल्टा उल्टा
1, 2.
Yes. Well done. Yeah. Nice.
7. The 7 I have made. Next here I have to make 8. Mm, 9, 10. Done, ma'am.
Advait, have you done it? Show me.
Okay, ma'am. I have done it with my mom again. Here it is.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Lovely.
Let's look at the man instead of body part.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please show how to do it?
Yeah. Uh,
Like this.
there'll be a main road. Yeah,
Okay, and
like this.
small this part. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, now my glue is finished. I can use tap. Ma'am,
Yes,
my
you can
glue
use
is
sellotape.
finished.
Yes, Angela, you can use sellotape.
Okay, ma'am.
Swara, are you showing? Have you finished it? Wait, I'm trying to see. Okay, I can see the middle one, but I cannot see.
नजीक रख.
Yes, yes, very nice. Yes, Swara, I've seen it. Nice.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Anisha. Okay, yeah, good.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Swara,
Ma'am,
ask.
why are roots not above the ground? They are under the ground.
Because from under the ground only they absorb the water. Okay, and they have to hold the they have to hold the plant tightly. So they have to fix it to the soil. If they are above the ground, they cannot fix the plant to the soil. So they have to be under the ground to catch the soil particles tightly so that the plant will stand straight. Okay, that is why they are below the ground. And below the ground, they can get water from where they will absorb it.
Okay. Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay, Janisha, it's faint. Okay, I cannot see. I can see something, but I cannot see it clearly because the color is also a little bit similar to your paper. But okay, if you have done it, okay.
So, ma'am, should
Give me
I send
one
a
second.
photo in what?
One.
In the group?
Yes, yes.
Should I send?
Yeah, you can send a photo. Yes. Yeah. After the class, you can send the photo of it in the group. Give me 1 second. Just 1 second.
Ma'am, what are the names of the roots?
The first one which y'all did was fibrous root, and the second one which y'all did was taproot. Okay, the same length of roots, that's called fibrous root. And when there is one main root and there are different other roots coming out of it, there are different other rootlets, we can say they are the rootlets coming out of it, that is called taproot. So where y'all have done it, y'all can write on top fibrous root and taproot. Those who have done it, like Advait has done it, Zanisha has done it. Okay, then who else? Swara has done it. Y'all can write on top there fibrous root and taproot. Okay, which is fibrous root, which is taproot. Y'all can write there. Even Ainesh can write. Ainesh, you can also write fibrous root and taproot.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Shaurya, you were asking something?
No, ma'am.
I thought someone raised hand.
My sister.
Angela, how far have you gone with the taproot?
Ma'am, finished that.
Finished? Finished?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I think most of you, only Angela is left. Shaurya, have you finished the route?
No, ma'am. Wait.
No. Okay. So Shaurya, Angela, and I think everyone else has finished.
Last two back. Last one.
to the class. Yes. Class.
All right. So, Angela and Shaurya, what you all can do is you all can click the pictures and send it to us on the group. All right. The
Ma'am,
tap
I
root.
have do.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have do.
Okay, you have finished doing it.
Ma'am,
Okay, but Angela,
if
you
I
have to.
Ma'am, I have
You have to.
do with
See, Angela.
sellotape, doctor.
Okay, see, Angela, your roots have to be of different sizes. The center root, okay, should be longer. Other roots can be of different sizes. What you have done, show me. You have made all the roots the same size. Yeah. So what you'll do is see what you again look at this picture, Angela. This center root is long. From here, smaller roots will come. From that smaller root, some other roots can come. Like that, you have to do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You will not make all the rootlets same size. All will be different sizes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So what you do, Angela, after the class, you can do it and you can send us a picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shaurya? Yes, Shaurya? I cannot see yours. Shaurya, show me. Okay, yeah, I have seen it. You also, Shaurya, see what you'll have to do. Your root looks like the fibrous root. You'll have to do the main root. This one should be very long. After that, from here, you'll have to stick the roots, okay, from different points. You don't have to stick it all from one point. You see how this is sticking from here, another root from here, another root from here, like different from every different parts. Roots, small roots will be sticking out.
Okay.
Okay, but Shaurya, what you have done from one point only, you have put all the roots. Not like that. You have to put one main root. To that main root, different other roots will be sticking. Different other roots will be sticking like this.
Okay.
Understood, Shaurya?
Yes.
So what you will do after the class, you can do it and you can send us a picture on the group. All right. Now we'll move on to the next slide.
Okay.
See. So you can see what is this? These are fibrous roots. The picture on the left, that is fibrous root. Same type of roots. Okay, same size of roots. But what about the other root? That is tap root. One main root you all can see. From there, so many different sizes of roots are coming out. Yes or no? Can you all see the picture?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, fibrous root is found in grass. It is found in bamboo. Tap root is found in carrot, radish. Okay, all these things, tap root is found. All right, next slide. Okay, now we learn about the leaf. See, what are the parts? Now, what is the function of the leaf? Can anyone tell me? Does anyone know what does the leaf do in the plant?
I know. It is the
Yes,
kitchen.
Janisha?
I also.
It takes sunlight and it
Very
takes
good.
carbon dioxide and makes it into oxygen.
Okay, very nice. All right.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
leaf prepares the food for the plant. The leaf is preparing food for the plant. Okay. Now, it makes the food. What it needs to make food? It needs 4 things to make food. Okay. It needs 4 things to make food. One is carbon dioxide. Where does it get carbon dioxide from? From the air. From the atmosphere, it gets the carbon dioxide. Okay. It needs water. Where does the where does it need, where does it get water from? Can anyone tell me where does the plant get water from?
Soil.
From the
Soil.
vein.
Which part of the plant is absorbing water?
Roots.
Very, very good. So roots are absorbing the water. Stem is carrying the water, giving it to the leaf. So the leaf is having carbon dioxide. The leaf is also getting water. It also needs another two things. One is sunlight. It needs sunlight to prepare its food, and it needs the green color which is present in the leaf. What is that? How is the leaf becoming green color? Because it has something called chlorophyll. It has chlorophyll, which is making the leaf green in color. All right. So it needs four things. One is carbon dioxide, which it is getting from the air. It needs water, which it is getting from the soil. It needs sunlight, which it is getting from the sun, and it needs chlorophyll, which is there in the leaves, which is making the leaf green in color. So these four things it needs to make its food. Then when it makes its food that you all can see in the next picture, carbohydrates, the pink color box. Okay, so that is carbohydrates. So that is the food of the plant. It is making its food, but it is also making another thing called oxygen. And who is using the oxygen? Who is using the oxygen? Yes, we are using. Animals are also using oxygen. So the plant removes the oxygen. It takes out the oxygen from itself. Okay, and so we take in the oxygen. We animals, we all take in the oxygen, and we need oxygen to live. So this is how the leaves prepare food for the plant. And what is this process called? It is called photosynthesis. What is it called? What is the process called? Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. So photo is coming from light. Photo means light, and synthesis means making food. So the plant is making food in the presence of light. So that is why it is called photosynthesis. Okay, next slide. Okay, see, you all can see the parts of the leaf. What are the parts of the leaf? The leaf is having these veins. You all can see how we have veins in our body, like that the leaf also has veins. Okay, through the veins only the water is coming to the leaf. Through the veins, how inside in our body we have veins. What is the veins carrying? What is the liquid that is passing in the veins inside our body? No, blood is passing in the veins in our body. Okay, how blood is passing in the veins in our body. In the same way, inside the leaf, veins are there. So water is passing through the veins in the leaf. All right. Then there is one point that is called the tip of the leaf. The portion of the leaf, like for example, this one. Okay. Now this is called the blade. You all can see the leaf.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is called the blade. All right. This middle one, you all can see the middle one. This is, and these ones, these are called veins. This is the tip. Okay, this is the tip of the leaf. This one. All right. And this is the stalk of the leaf. What is the stalk of the leaf called? Petiole. It's called petiole, this one. The stalk of the leaf is called petiole. All right. Okay, we can see the picture again. And when the leaf is attached, it is attached to the stem, right? It is attached by the petiole. And there is one small thing called axil and stipule. All right. Okay, next slide. Okay, now what you all will do, you all will need a plain paper, plain sheet of paper. Okay, you all will need crayons or color pencils, and you all will need a leaf. Okay, these three things you all need: paper, leaf, any leaf, and crayons or color pencils, anything. All of you all bring it quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Advait.
I do not have a leaf. I just have color pencils and a sheet of paper.
Okay, so you can observe, but after the class, anytime you can get a leaf. Can you get a leaf? Not now. After the class, can you get a leaf?
Okay, ma'am.
Advait?
Yes, I can get a leaf.
You can get? Okay.
Crayon.
So you will know what we are doing after the class. When like it is after the class, you can get a leaf anytime and you can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Others, do you all have all the things that is required?
Ma'am.
The leaf, colors,
Yes.
okay. What you
Ma'am,
have
I
to do?
have
Just look.
sheet
What you have to do? Any leaf.
Ma'am, I have small.
Any leaf. No problem. Small leaf, big leaf, no issue with the size. Okay?
Okay.
Y'all just need a leaf. What y'all will do, see, all of you see what is to be done. You'll have to put this leaf under the paper. Put this leaf under the paper. Okay? Place it and you'll have to do like this. Color. How I'm holding the color pencil, can you all see like this? And just trace the leaf. Understood? Can you all see what I'm doing?
No,
Everyone,
ma'am.
can you all see?
No,
You
ma'am.
all cannot see what I'm doing? Cannot see?
No, ma'am. I
You
understood.
all have to color. See, the leaf should be down, paper should be up, and color. Color on
Done.
top of the paper. Yes.
Ma'am, done. Done.
Okay, done? All right. Who's... Okay, very nice. Okay. So can you see the different parts of the leaves? Means the veins, can you see?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so y'all do it and show me.
Ma'am, I did.
Yes, Zarisha? Okay. Okay, it is very faint. You have done it with yellow color, right?
No, orange.
What you can do is orange color. Okay. What you do after the class, you can click a picture and show in the group. Okay, because it is very faint. I cannot see it properly. Okay, you can click a picture and show. Yeah. You all see see that you all can see the picture of the leaf on the paper. Can you all see it?
It is too blurry, ma'am.
Okay, too blurred.
See in the diagram that I'm showing. Okay. See how it is done.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sharia.
see?
Yes, very nice. Yes, Sharia. Nicely done.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I did it again.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you see?
Okay. See, ma'am is trying out something. Yes. It will look somewhat like this.
Ma'am,
Swara,
done.
done? Okay. Alice,
There. One.
show Swara. Okay. Hold it. Yes, Swara, I have seen it. Ainesh, you have drawn the leaf. You have not traced the leaf. How you have to do? No, not like that. Ainesh, that's wrong. You don't have to do it like that. Put the leaf under the paper and then color it. See what you have to do, Ainesh. Put your leaf, okay, on top of that put a paper and then color. Leaf is here, okay. On top of the leaf put the paper and then color.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Angela. Okay.
Ma'am, I will do.
All right. You'll have to see one more thing to keep in mind. You'll have to color it very what? You don't have to put lot of pressure and color it. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot see the veins. Otherwise, you cannot see the veins of the leaf. The shape of the leaf you cannot see. You'll have to put less pressure and just do like this. Hold the crayon like this or hold the color pencil like this. Don't hold it like this, hold it like this. And then color. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, so everyone has finished this. Ainesh, you can do it and post the picture on. Okay, you will post the picture on the group, Ainesh. And everyone else has finished, I think. Yes.
Ma'am, I
All
have
right.
finished it.
Who said that?
Shurya Ketan Kadam.
Okay, Sharia. Yes, I saw yours. All right. So we'll move on with the next slide, if there's any. Okay. So did you all understand everything today?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone understood? Only I heard Swara. Everyone else understood everything
Yes.
in today's class? Okay. So, do you all have any questions to ask?
No. Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll be,
Ma'am.
see, you all have to, yes, Angela?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, in fruits there is no flower. Ma'am,
No,
in
inside the
fruits
fruit,
there is flower or not?
inside the fruit, there's no flower. Flower is a different thing, fruit is a different thing. But fruit
Okay.
can become a flower. A fruit can become a flower. But flower is different and fruit is different. And sometimes when the fruits become flowers,
Okay, ma'am.
the flowers become fruits. The flowers will become fruits. But otherwise, flower is different, fruit is different. Okay? But flower can become fruits.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, any more doubts?
Ma'am, I will make a next leaf.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now you all have. I'll be asking you all 2 questions. You all have to give the answer. You all have to give me the answer in the next class. Okay. First question is, why we need to study about plants? Okay. What is the need to study about plants? What are we? If we study about plants, what we will know? So why do we need to study about plants? First question. Second question is that if you all how the study of plants can. Okay, Ainish, that's okay. What like we today studied about leaves, stem, and roots. Okay, we studied about the functions of the leaf, stem, and root. You all will tell me in what other way leaf, stem, and root can be used of different plants. You all understood the question or did not understand? I'm repeating. First question.
Students, please note down the questions because you have to write the answers and send it to us. All of you all note down the questions.
Ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, right.
Ma'am, what is first question?
First question is, has everyone brought some notebook and pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First question
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
why do we need to study about plants? Why do we need to? Why do we need to study about plants?
Why do we
Why do we need to study about plants?
Ma'am, can you tell from first?
Why do
Ma'am,
we
next.
need to? Okay, first question, everyone noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why do we need to study about plants? Second question is,
Ma'am, wait.
okay. Everyone done with the first question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second question. Apart from the functions,
Apart
apart from the functions of
of after, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat.
okay, wait, 1 minute. Y'all can write how are the roots, stem, and leaves useful to us? Cut that and write how are the
How are the roots?
roots, stems, and leaves of plants. Leaves of plants.
Leaf or leaves?
Leaves.
Ma'am, how are the roots and
Roots, stem, and leaves of plants useful to us?
then leaves?
Ma'am, I have
Of plants
right.
useful to us. full stop. Put a question mark and write give examples. Put a question mark there. After that, write give examples.
Ma'am.
Useful to us. Shaurya, leaves. After leaves, write useful to us.
After these.
Ma'am, like this we have to write.
What is
Yes.
spelling?
What is which spelling? Useful.
Useful.
USEFUL. USEFUL.
S-E.
FUL.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I tell the answer?
Question mark, then write give examples. Did you all understand the question? First of all, tell me, children. Have you all understood the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? I'm giving you all one example of the second question. For example, like we can use the leaves of, we can use the leaves of coconut to make mat. Mats. We use the leaves of the coconut. Coconut plant, you all know? Coconut, have you all seen the coconut plant? The coconut tree, have you all seen?
I have not seen the coconut.
Okay. Anyone has seen the coconut tree?
I have.
Ma'am, I see.
I have seen. Ma'am, I don't have seen.
Okay. So the coconut leaves are used to make mats. So the leaves of the coconut. So you all can write leaves of coconut are used to make mats. So like that. Like that you all have to write at least 2 examples of root, stem and leaves. How stem can be used by us, stem of any plant. How root of any plant is used by us. How leaf of any plant is used by us. 2 examples you all will give. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
All right. Okay.
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye.